Okay, so this problem is asking us to multiply these numbers, right? So we got -4 times the square root of 14 times 2 times square root of 8. So what we can do is we can combine the terms, right? We can combine the two coefficients, and we can combine the two radicals, right? -4 times 2 is -8. Okay, and we're going to combine these two radicals. We can just leave it as 14 times 8 for now, because we can break it down further. So we got -8. Let's break down these numbers. So 14 can be broken down into 2 and 7. 8 can be broken down into 2 and 4, right? Right? 2 and 7. 2 times 7 gives you 14. 2 times 4 gives you 8. So we can take this 2 and this 2. 2 times 2 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. We can take it out of the radical, right? So this gives us -8 times 2 times 7. Square root of 7 times 4. Okay. What about this 4? What's the square root of 4? 2, right? So we got -16 times 2 times square root of 7. -16 times 2 is -32 times square root of 7. Let's try another one. Okay. Let's do 4 times the square root of 6n squared times square root of 6n. Okay, so this time we got variables, and that's okay, we can do that. All right, so, well, first of all, what do we have under this one? N squared. What's the square root of n squared? N. So we can take n squared out, turn it into n. The square root of n squared is n. So we get 4n times, we're just going to combine these two, 6n times 6n. So we've got 4n times the square root of 6n times 6n. So we got 4n. So square root of 6n times 6n is just 6n, right? So this is going to be 4n times 6n. That gives us 24 times n squared.